Namaste, welcome to all. Today we'll give some illustrations for modulus of a real number, less than type modulus in equation and greater than type modulus in equations. See, modulus of a real number definition we know. If x is greater than 0, modulus of x is x itself, and when x values are less than 0, modulus of x is minus x. If we tell like this, we will not understand anything. We'll give some examples. See, modulus of 3 if you want to find. Here x greater than 0. So x itself. Now modulus of minus 3. Here x is less than 0. That time modulus x is minus x. So minus of minus 3 plus 3. So if you want to find solution for modulus of x equal to 3, then its solution is x can be minus 3 inside thing domain or plus 3. Okay, two solutions like quadratic equations will be having two solutions. And it's almost, see, we can use modulus of x or absolute value of x is a. It is equivalent to x square is equal to a square. Okay. And see, here we can give a formula like this, x equal to minus a or x equal to a, like that also we can say. Okay, if you want to find the solution. Okay, and where the problem will come means, here if I say modulus of x is minus 3, see, absolute value or modulus same, no? What you told, without sign you will take, and you will always get a positive value here. So here modulus they gave negative value. So here you will not have solution. See, what is the reason means? The reason is absolute value is never negative. Okay. So these examples will help you to understand about modulus of real numbers. Then we'll solve some more problems like if we have given 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. How to solve this modulus equation? See, this you can use as a formula. So x can be, the inside thing can be minus 7 or plus 7. Okay, then minus 3 if you transpose to that side, plus 3. So what you will get? 2x minus 7 plus 3 means minus 4 you will get. Here also same, minus 3 you are transposing that side. 7 plus 3, 10 you will get. Here twice x is minus 4, then x is minus 2. Twice x is 10, then x is 5. So solution, what is the solution for modulus of 2x minus 3 equal to 7 is x is minus 2 or 5. This is the solution. Okay. Next we'll come to inequations. See, inequations, how to solve linear inequations. We have in our channel we have a nice presentation. That link we'll give in description. You can watch. And even how these formulas came also, we gave a presentation that you can find in quadratic inequation. How to solve quadratic inequation. That link also will provide in description. How these formulas came. Okay, now we'll give illustrations only. Okay, this problem only I can take. That 2x minus 3 is less than 7, like that I can take. If modulus x is less than a, we can use this as a formula, that x greater than minus a or x less than a. Here if it is x modulus x less than or equal to a is there, means that time x greater than or equal to minus a or x less than or equal to a. And more, see, this we can write in double inequality form. Here x greater than or equal to minus a means minus a is less than or equal to x, no, and x less than or equal to a. can use this also. This also you can use as a formula. So here directly we'll write. This implies, so this 2x minus 3 will lies between minus 7 and 7. There less than means here less than. There less than or equal to means here less than or equal to will come. Okay. Now what you can do? Next see. This inequality is how we have to solve means first we have to take out that minus 3. You can add plus 3 everywhere. So I'm adding plus 3. So that I can take away 3 in between. So here what it become, then 2x value lies between minus 4 and 10. Now I want to take out that 2. Then I can know x values where it lies. So I will divide with 2. If you are dividing with positive number, no monotone property. The inequality sign remains same. If you divide with negative number, problem will be there. So positive number, no problem. So this value is minus 2 less than x less than 5. So x values lies between minus 2 and 5. Therefore, what is the solution means how you can write x such that x belongs to minus 2 comma 5. Small brackets I have used, see, closed brackets also will say. No, open brackets. Now suppose if 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 7 is there, means here also will get less than or equal to less than or equal to. That time how will you write the solution means x such that x belongs to, here I have to use square brackets or big brackets. Okay, here this difference we have to see. Why we are using that means it will not only take the values between minus 2 and 5, it will take the boundary values minus 2 and 5. They are also included. That means from minus 2 to 5 you are taking. Okay. Like that we can write the solution. And see, next we can solve greater than type modulus inequation. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Here see, suppose if one more example I will discuss before that. So here I have erased the formula also, no issue. Okay. Some example we can take, like if modulus of 2x minus 3 is less than 0, that time. Can we have a solution? See, this is almost equivalent to 2x minus 3 whole square is less than 0 square. See, when you square, here inside positive value, negative value it came, whatever it will be there. If you square, you will get a positive number. If you square, a positive number cannot be less than 0, no. So you cannot have solution. Here no solution we have to write. If less than or equal to 0, that is different. 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 0 means here we won't have solution for this less than 0. But what happens now? That 2x minus 3 equal to 0. There you can solve like linear equation and you will be having only one solution, that is x equal to 3 upon 2, like that you will get. Okay, done. So we have covered less than type modulus inequations. Now we have to discuss greater than type modulus inequations, so that we'll end this session. We'll cover all type of problems. Okay, not the similar example, some other example I will take, like modulus of 7 minus 2x upon 4 is greater than 2. Okay, there by formula you can write like this. What is the formula? Formula 7 minus 2x upon 4, here greater than, no, less than will come, less than 2. Here greater than or equal to is there, means here also less than or equal to, like that it will come. And 7 minus 2x upon 4 is greater than or equal to 2. how it came means you can say this formula: when modulus x is greater than or equal to a, x is less than or equal to -2, or x is greater than or equal to a. That means x values it does not lies between -a and a. Okay. So you have to further simplify and write the solution in set form. So first I want to take out 4. So multiply both sides with 4. Positive number means no problem. 7 minus 2x is less than or equal to -8, or 7 minus 2x is greater than or equal to 8. Now take out that 7. So what we have to do? You have to add -7 or subtract 7. Anything, both are same. Both sides, if you add -7, no problem. The sign will remain same. 7 minus, this side I am adding -7, or both sides if you add -7 or subtract -7, the sign will remain same. Okay. Now see here, 7 I can take out, plus 7 -7 I can cancel. So twice x, what we are getting here, -15 we are getting. Here minus 2x, what we are getting, greater than or equal to 1 we are getting. Now see here problem will come. Here I want to take out that -2. When I am dividing with negative numbers, the inequality sign reverse. That means if I want to divide with -2 on both sides, that less than or equal to is there, no, it will become greater than or equal to. Similarly here also I want to divide with -2. Greater than or equal to is there, no, that will become less than or equal to. Okay. Now see, x values are greater than or equal to 15 upon 2, or x values are less than or equal to -1 upon 2, minus half. That means you can take less than values, minus half, less than values you can take, and greater than 15/2 values you can take. Okay. How we can write in interval form? See, solution if you want to write for this. X such that x value you can take any real numbers. You can't take the values between, it won't lies between -half, then you can write like this. R minus, I don't want values between -half and 15/2. I don't want these values. Okay. Remaining values I can take. Okay. R minus, any real numbers you can take, but you can't take the values between -half and 15/2. You can take -half and 15/2 also. Okay. If you draw the number line, it will be clear. This is the way we have to solve. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.